Halor ka jingwi ki Kynram hapok ka school ba Northeastern Hill University NEHU haka pratrek uyayong arhaja arpusan Menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad ke Sangma ula pentep baka Sorkar jelau watla ka skokya ka te ka Kynram hendrai kamdon borpat ban tuklar AA namar ba ya ka te ka school ba la penya da ka Tnad Pule ka Sorkar India ba yo vice chancellor ru la thong da ka president kari India Kumar Shukro ka jing Kynram kami ka day na ka jingaki sya thangan ki samla Pule balam khmat ka NEHU Students Union bat ka Khasi Students Union KSU NEHU Union bandawa penhiar Shuki yo Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla na ka Shuki Vice Chancellor hakate ka school ba bat ka bakidang persya jur hadu menta banamai lat yo Vice Chancellor ban wan yo kejat biang hakate ka university Habakran sekilat pathai kubor Menteri rangba ulaong baka Sorkar ka syam jenjar bha ban tuklar halor kani ka mat hendrei ka ba ukham sngokya ka day na ka benta ki samla Pule ka ba ulaong baka Sorkar kan yai wat lat kumno ban wan ra ka jingyat bet ka te university.
See, we are concerned. We're concerned about the issue in NEHU, and mostly I'm concerned about the students. There are issues from both sides. We have tried to understand those issues, tried to reach out to different stakeholders, either me directly or through somebody in the system. When I say system, means the government, and try to see how we could resolve the issue so that NEHU can function in a smooth manner. And as I've mentioned again earlier, that NEHU is an autonomous body directly functioning under the Education Ministry, Government of India, and appointments of the Chancellor are done from the President's level. So therefore, all these complications are there where state government is difficult for us to openly intervene in the day-to-day functioning because there are already systems that are in place, and even though we may want to do it in certain ways, state government is not actually the competent authority to officially to intervene in these matters. So we can do it at a certain level. So number one, as I said, are we concerned? We are very concerned. And are we intervening? We're not directly intervening because we are not the competent authority to do that. But we are engaging. We're engaging. We are talking to people. I have personally gone to meet the students. Of course, when I went to meet them also, some of them took it otherwise when I said that I have not come as Chief Minister, because I wanted to share with them that I've come as a citizen, as a leader, as a person who would like to help. But as I said, I cannot be there from a government perspective because technically we don't have the authority to directly intervene into the day-to-day functioning. But we can engage, as I said. And so my purpose was engagement, and I'm concerned. I engage with the students. I'm engaging with unofficially and informally with certain staff and faculty, other political leaders as well as bureaucratic officials are also engaging. So we are finding a way. We're trying to see how we could bring the different stakeholders together to resolve this issue. But as I said, we're not very sure how things are moving forward. I'm engaging with Government of India. I speak to Honorable Education Minister on a time-to-time, basis, and update him and request that he can find a way to resolve. So they're doing their best, but I again urge everybody that yes, there could be complications, but we need to find a way to come together and resolve it in the larger interest of the student fraternity and the students of the state, and especially of NEHU.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.